So, good afternoon, all of you. So, today we are going to start new topic in the chapter force. Okay. So, what is our new topic is that we studied what some characteristics, some behavior, some properties of what force. So today we are going to conduct a new topic. Okay, today we are going to conduct a new topic, what exploring forces. Okay, so in the previous class we studied what some characteristics that force, all the force are due to what interactions. Okay, in order a force to be occurred, what two objects must be there. Okay, that we studied previous class, and also we studied what is a force. Okay, so in this topic we are or new topic we have to study that exploring forces. So in this topic also we are studying about what characteristics or nature of the forces. So what is force? Force we studied simple definition or other meaning of force. What is that? Force is a push or pull. Commonly force is a what push or pull. So why are we giving a force on an object? Okay, so we are giving a force on an object to move the object. Okay, so when we are giving a force on an object, sometimes the object will move, sometimes the object will not move. Okay, the object may move or may not move. Understand? So if an object, suppose here this is an object, so a box is an object which is stationary, which is at rest. So if the object is at rest, then the total force on the object is zero. Total force on the object is zero. Total force is zero when total force is zero when an object is at rest. So any object that is at rest, so total force is what? Zero. Total force is zero. Understand? So and other, if the object is moving, okay, if an object is moving, then total force on object is not zero. There is a total force. On the object. If an object is moving, then the total force on the object is not zero. If the object is moving, then the total force on the object is not zero. Okay. So we can say that when the object is moving, total force on the object, is not zero. Understand? So this is the condition. If an object is at rest, then total force of an object is zero. So we are giving a force on an object to move. So when the object is to be moved, we have to give some force. Okay. So if there is a total force on the object will move. If the total force on the object is 0, then the object will not 0. Object will not 0. This is the condition. Okay. So any object which is moving, then there is a total force on the object. Any object which is at rest, there is no force. There is no total force on the object, or total force on the object which is at rest is 0. Total force on the object which is at rest is 0. Means total force is 0 when the object is at rest. Total force is not 0 when the object is moving. Okay. So listen here. So exploring force. Exploring force. So what do you mean by exploring force? In exploring force, we are studying some nature or some behavior, okay, of the forces. Behavior of the forces. Listen here. Okay, this is an object. Okay, this is an object. A boy has to move this object. Okay, has to move this object. Suppose this is a table or box, a desk, bench, anything. Okay, then there is a boy. The boy has to move the object. Okay, so boy is giving a force on the object. Boy is giving a force on the object. So the object is not moved. Suppose the object is not moved. Understand? Object is not moved. So object is not moved. Understand? The total force is 0. Why? Force is there. Force is there. Suppose the boy is giving a force 4 Newton. Boy is giving a force 4 Newton. Newton means a unit of force. Newton. Sir Isaac Newton. Newton is the unit of force. Newton. Newton is the unit of force. 4 Newton. That is object. The boy gave a force of 4. Force or force of 4 Newton. 4 Newton. Okay. Object. The boy gave a force of what? How much? 4. Okay, 4 Newton force, 4 meter, 4 second, like that, 4 Newton force the boy gave. But the object did not move. Object did not move. Okay, so another boy came. So another boy came and helped the first boy. This is first boy. And this is second boy. Another boy came and another boy also gave a force on the box, on the table. Okay, box or table. This box or table. Then the box is moved. Box is moved. So we can say that the object is moved. When the box is moved, so that we can say that the force is increased. Force on the total force on the object is increased. Total force on the object is increased. What was the total force on the object? Yes, 4 Newton. Or so we can say that here the object is not moved. If the object is not moved, so we can say that what if the object is not moved, so we can suppose a boy came and from first we are studying from first. A boy came and boy has to move the box, so boy gave a force of 4 Newton, but box is not moved. Box is not moved. What is the reason that? So suppose an object is not moved, then total force is what? 0. But here the boy gave what? 4 Newton force. Okay, 4 Newton force. So object is not moved. So object is not moved, what will be the total force? Total force is 0. So how the total force is 0? Listen here. So when the boy is giving a force on the box, what will happen that this force, okay, this force will transmit, and this box is situated on the what? Roof. Okay, a roof, and roof will have what? The box, when we are pushing, when we are what? Yes, listen here. When we are giving a force, okay, giving a force, yes, when we are giving a force on the box, what will happen that, then this is, suppose this is a roof or a floor, some floor is there, okay, so ground, okay, so the box is situated on the what? Ground. Box is situated on the ground. Okay, box is situated on the ground, and boy give a force on the box, okay, or boy pushed the box, and boy give 4 Newton, suppose boy gave 4 Newton force, okay, on the box, suppose this is the box, okay, box is not moved. What is the reason that box is not moved? If the box is not moved, total force on the box is what? 0. But boy gave 4 Newton force. Even though boy gave 4 Newton force on the box, what? Total force is 0. Total force is 0. Why total force is 0? Listen here. So when we are giving a force, okay, when we are giving a force which is on the box, which is placed on the ground, what will that? And when we are giving a force on the box will give a force, other end of the box will give a force on the floor, a force on the ground, isn't it? Suppose this is a ground, okay, some some digging, and also the rough ground is very rough. So when we are giving a force on the box, okay, on one end, other end will give a force on the ground, okay. So when this box, other end of the box is giving a force on the ground, okay, ground will give opposite force, okay. When the box is giving a force on the ground will give equal force, on the what? Box. Suppose we are giving 4 newtons, boy is giving 4 Newton force, so 4 Newton force is giving, so box is giving 4 Newton, this push will transmit here, okay, this 4 Newton force, so when we are giving a 4 Newton force on the box, and this box will hit on the ground, okay, will touch on the ground with 4 Newton. So box will give a 4 Newton force on the ground, so ground will give opposite to 4 Newton force on the box. So here 4 Newton, here 4 Newton, the box will not move, okay. So when we are giving a force of 4 Newton, the ground will also give a 4 Newton. Suppose this is ground, okay, ground will give a 4 Newton force opposed to that of force that is boy given. Understand? So total force, this 4 Newton and this side, and this 4 Newton in this side, total force will be what? 0. Box will not move, okay. When a boy is pushing what? On a table, and another boy is pushing a force on opposite side, what will happen? The object is not moved. Object is not moved. That means what? Force is, total force is 0. How did the total force is 0? Two force that are opposite are cancelled. Two force that are opposite are cancelled. Opposite force are cancelled. Okay, so that the box is not moved and total force on the object is 0. So here first boy gave a force 4 Newton. Okay, and in this direction, and ground gave a 4 Newton force opposite that direction. So two forces are cancelled and total force is 0. Total force, this force and this force is cancelled and total force is what? 0. Then the box is not moved. So next boy came and next boy pushed the box. Next boy, other boy came, another boy, second boy came, and second boy helped the first boy. Second boy gave a force on the box. A force on the box. So box moved. So what was the total force before? Total force is 0. Now the box is moved. Now box is moved means what? Force is increased. Force is increased. How can we increase the force? Which mathematical operation? How can we increase two quantities? Two things. How can we increase two things by mathematics? In addition. By addition or in addition we can increase the. So the total force is increased. Total force before the second boy came, the total force was 0. Okay, after the second boy came and second boy gave a force, box is moved. So box is force is increased. Total force is increased. Okay, total force, when the total force is 0, then object is not moved. Here the second boy came and gave a force, then object moved, so force is increased. Okay, total force is increased. So how can we increase total force? By addition. So we can otherwise we can call the total force is added. Total force is added. What is the total force? First case 0. Second boy came and gave a push, then the force is increased. That means force is added. Total force is added by second force. Okay, so we can say that when we are giving a force, when we are giving forces in same direction on an object, then total force will be increased. Total force will be increased.